Hey guys, what's up? It's What Short Tech. I hope you guys are enjoying your entire day. We are opening up today a Mavic Mini propeller holder. This is the small box. Let's open this up, and here we go. There's a little bit of a manual here. I'm pretty sure I could figure out how to put everything together. Pretty basic, I think. So where's the strap? No, it's probably in here. Yep, the strap's in here. Cool. So, strap will be easy to go on. Using the small end of the string to get into the loop on this side, and you whip it over like that and tighten it. There you go. Done. So, now that that's done, we're gonna put this on the drone. By the way, I mostly got this because I wanted to be able to hold the drone and maybe do some cinematic video that way, because I seen someone else do it on YouTube and it seemed like a cool idea. I wish this quarantine wasn't happening so I'd be able to like test it out better and, you know, be able to do better reviews. I haven't been able to do a lot lately since the quarantine and it's been messing with me, but on to the next thing is the Find More box to see if this fits, and it doesn't, which is a bummer. But, you know, this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys are holding out on this quarantine, and, you know, I will see you guys later.